These are
She's
not
modeling her new swimwear.
I'm a chicken. I'm a mermaid. See?
I have a weird wife.
Yeah, you do. But she's fun.
Warm.
Okay. It is.
Trent!
That's not any mermaid I've ever
Trent, are you
envisioned.
decent?
Oh, you funny.
Hurry up, my pants are gonna...
Poor Brian doesn't know what's going on.
You'll have to caption it. Join the flock. Get the flock out of there.
I'm gonna. Trent and I need to get the flock out of here. Oh, you guys.
What do you need down your pants?
What did you ask me? My pants are full, thank you.
No. No.
No. That's a little bad.
I don't know what you're thinking. You know, he kind of moves funny when you walk. That's kind of...
That is funny.
Oh my god. I sent her a video of you.
and sent it to Ben.
Penny can see it. I have permission.
Oh no, now it's going on Facebook too. And we're friends, so everybody will see it.
You are so goofy.
Oh man.
Sorry, now. These are huge.
Aren't they?
I have never seen a pair quite this
What, did
big.
you just buy them to quilt with?
No.
Somebody gave them to me.
These are my shoplifting pants. I can fit a whole chicken in them.
I know, I think, honest to goodness, those would fit Charlie.
They're good shape.
No, look at, they're not long,
Somebody bought them $46.30 and then they hemmed them.
that's about right, wouldn't you
Hey,
think?
this is a commercial for, I went on
You guys have.
Oh, I went
the
on,
diet plan. What is that?
yeah,
What do you call those? What is that?
like the Weight Watchers and all that, yeah.
I couldn't get the other one.
Sorry, Trent. Don't
Oh my
You
goodness.
looking like that
no.
guy that was doing the signs yesterday.
That'd be a good way to get money.
Everything she needs to get the
If I go on the street corner, do you think I could panhandle? Gotta feed my chicken.
Here's your chicken cup.
I'm done. Stop.